Hello traders, today I will tell you in detail about the bullish harami or engulfing harami seems more appropriate according to your description. The bullish harami is a pattern of candlestick itself. The name of this candlestick is made up of two words, bullish and harami. You all know the meaning of the word bullish. Bullish means upward movement going up and harami is a Japanese word. Its meaning is a pregnant woman. The people of Japan named the bullish harami after a pregnant woman because these candlestick pattern appear in the chart in a similarly way. You can see it in the video. The bullish harami is a reversal candlestick pattern that exhibits a really bullish. This means that the time of decline bearish trend in the commodity share is now over and now a really bullish trend is about to begin. The bullish harami candlestick pattern is formed by two candles. You can see it in the video. In the bullish harami candlestick pattern, the first candle is a long bearish candlestick, or you could say that is a long decline bearish candle. This red in color. The second candle is a small bullish candlestick, or you could say that is a small really bullish candle. It is green in color. The name of the first candle in the bullish harami candlestick pattern is mother, and the name of the second candle is baby. The bullish harami candlestick pattern always form after a long decline in the chart, or you could say it formed at the bottom of the lowest level of the chart. After the formation of this candlestick, the possibility of a decline in the markets and buying after receiving confirmation will definitely be beneficial. So now let's talk about how the bullish harami candlestick pattern is formed and what special point need to be kept in mind during its formation. The first candle in the bullish harami candlestick pattern should be a long bearish candlestick, or you could say it should be a long decline candle. After this, the second candle should open at the same level at the close price of the first candle or with a gap up, or you could say it should open with good rally and should trend within the body of the first candle. After this, when this candle closes, it should close at the same level as the open price of the first candle or below it. The put it simply, the second candle should be within the body of the first candle. If this second candle is very small, this candlestick pattern will work very well. The most important thing to keep in mind in this candlestick pattern is that the second candle should be entirely between the open price and the close price of the first candle. This second candle should be a small bullish candlestick, or you could say it should be a small rally candle. The bullish harami candlestick pattern can appear in two ways on the chart. You can see both types in the video. Both of these work in the same way. The bullish harami candlestick pattern is a candlestick pattern that form very easily and very type of market. Whether you work in the Indian stock market or the commodity market or the forex market or any other market, it is one of the most common candlestick pattern found in every type of market. The day these candlestick pattern form in the chart, the next day the price often open with a good rally, or you could say a gap up. When this happens, it becomes a complete confirmation for you to do buying. The bullish harami candlestick pattern can appear to you in intraday chart, daily chart, weekly chart and monthly chart as well. This candlestick pattern works very well in all these charts. After the formation of this candlestick pattern, the buyer's hold becomes strong in the market. If you do intraday trading, then look for it in the 5-minute and 15-minute time frames. Then you can make a good profit from it. And if you do positional trading, then look for it in the daily chart and weekly chart. Then you can make a better profit from it. So friend, now you must have understood how the bullish harami candlestick pattern forms and what effect its formation has on the market. So now let me tell you how the bullish harami candlestick pattern works. Suppose the bullish harami candlestick pattern worked form on the chart yesterday and today's new candle opened with a gap up, meaning it opened with a good rally. then you should do buying in the market, or else you should not do buying in the market until the price close above the high of the first candle of the bullish Harami candlestick pattern. When the price closes above the high of the first candle of the bullish Harami candlestick pattern, you should buy in the market and place a stop loss below the low of the first candle of the bullish Harami candlestick pattern. Hope you like this information and subscribe Forexia.